SUI is a Layer 1 public blockchain network developed by Miston Labs. Miston Labs was founded in September 2021 by Novi Research, which is one of the departments of Meta company and has previously been dedicated to the DM blockchain and Move programming languages. The purpose of SUI is to address the issue of effectiveness in the blockchain network. SUI was planned with scalability in mind from the outset to deliver instant transactions, high throughput, low latency, and low-cost services to billions of users. 1. Scalability. SUI's node infrastructure can scale the network's throughput unlimitedly as demand and utilization increase. The network can horizontally scale throughput as it can reach a parallel agreement on causally independent transactions. 2. Developer user experience. The SUI Developer Kit, SDK, aims to optimize the user experience for developers by providing open-source, multifunctional, and user-friendly tools. 3. Security. Miston Labs has implemented security measures through the use of the Move programming language. The application of the Move programming language aims to create a secure and programmable foundation for SUI's vision of a scalable financial infrastructure. 4. Define complex on-chain assets easily. SUI's scalability is not limited to transaction processing. Its storage is also low-cost and scalable. This enables developers to define complex assets with rich attributes that are stored directly on the chain, rather than introducing an intermediary layer of off-chain storage to save on gas fees. Now let's see how we can involve in SUI Airdrop. First step, you need to install SUI Wallet and create an account. Just follow the step, it's easy to create one. Next, go to the official Discord to claim test coins. Look for the Testnet channel, and input the command faucet with your wallet address in the chat. Once you have received the test coins, go to stake, select any validator you like and follow the step to do a staking process. Next, we will need to try to mint an NFT. Go to the app in your wallet and select the SUI CAPI. Connect your wallet and follow the instructions to create it. Complete the following interactions as required. Here you go. That's it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.